white Oreo 2.0 Jordan 4s. Look at this. This is a vibe. Honestly, I'm not gonna hold you. This kind of looks like white cement 4s. Not gonna hold you. It has like a couple accents that are a little different, but it's definitely in the same realm. I'll show you a little picture of what they look like right here so you can see the difference. You can see right here on the side panel, it has the white cement going all around throughout the whole side. It connects with the white part right here on the inside of the shoe. The leather on these is actually really good. It's like a tumble leather. It kind of feels like the newer Jordan 1s. Not like bad ones, but all the good ones. The inner sole of the shoe is just a regular inner sole for Jordan 4, nothing too crazy. Right here on the back, it has the Jordan symbols. Honestly, that's the only thing that throws this off for me is the fact that the back has Jordan symbols. I need some Nike Air on the back. Come on, man. If y'all would have gave me the Nike Air on the back of these things would have been crazy.
Damn, son.
The box is a white and red all around with the gray on the side right here. Overall, I'm not gonna lie, on a heat or yeet scale, are these heat or are these yeet? I'm gonna give these some heat right here. I'm not gonna lie, these is definitely some heat. I'd probably put them at maybe about like I'd give these an 8 out of 10. Only reason I give them an 8 out of 10 is because it doesn't have the Nike Air on the back. Come on, you gotta get it together. Like, if you're a real sneakerhead, you already know you need to have some vibe on the back, you feel me? So right now, the current price when I'm filming this shoe is going for anywhere between $300 to $350. It'll probably settle down maybe around like $260 to $275. It'll probably stay around there. I don't think it'll go up. But yo, as always, that's another sneaker review brought to you by the caveman himself. Make sure you comment below. Let me know how you're feeling about these. Do y'all like these or do you think there's a better Jordan 4 than this one? If you think there's a better Jordan 4 than this one, comment below. Let me know what's your favorite Jordan 4. Subscribe. I'm gonna put the subscription button right here and tap in on all my social media platforms for more exclusive content. I appreciate y'all.